Today I'm going to show you how you can add an animated typing text effect to your website. So as you can see, I have added some text here, and let me show you how it works. So as you can see, it will load the text in an animated format, like typing format that you see on AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. So you can add an animation effect like this. So let me add few more paragraphs as well. So as you can see, the paragraphs are showing one by one, and it will also start auto scroll the content for you like this. So let's check how you can implement this in our website. So here we can control the speed of this typing. Just scroll down, and here you will see the JavaScript code, and here you will see a value like 40. Let me change that to 100. Now it will load the word one by one slowly. So this is how it works. So to implement this in your website, all you have to do is just assign a class to your paragraph, heading, or any deep section you want. So you just need to add a class like AI stream. Let me copy that. Now let's go to the Blogger website, and let me click on here. By the way, you can implement it in your WordPress website as well. So here I have some paragraphs. So let me hit enter, and this is the first paragraph, and then we have second paragraph here. So we need to assign the class in each of the paragraphs. Now I have separated all the paragraphs. So what I can do is I will click on here, and I will click on control, and then I will click on here. So I will select all the paragraphs like this. Now I will hit space and then add the class like this. So it will add the class to all of the paragraphs at once. Now we need to add the CSS and JavaScript code as well. So let's copy the CSS. So here is the style tag. So let me copy that, and I will paste it here. Now we don't need the body CSS, so we can remove that. Now we need to add the JavaScript code as well. So this is the script tag. So let's copy all the script code, and I will paste it here like this. Now let's test this. Let me update, and as you can see, the typing text is showing like this, and it will auto scroll the page. And we have missed this paragraph. So here you need to add the class to all of your paragraphs. If you miss any paragraph, then this typing effect will not work. And you can also disable the auto scroll effect if you want. So for this, you just need to go to this section, element, scroll into view behavior smooth block nearest. You can just comment this, and it will stop auto scroll, and it will load the animation effect but won't scroll automatically. You can add a comment section like this. So this is helpful if you are building a hero section, and if you want to add a animated typing effect to that paragraph or heading, then you can use this code. So I will include the source code link in the description. Just download it and use it on your website. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.